late morning Saturday into Saturday evening. Impacts. Strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Location: coastal Essex County, with a particular focus on Cape Ann. A high wind warning is issued when sustained winds of 40 miles per hour are expected for at least 1 hour, with gusts of 58 miles per hour or greater at any time. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible with winds of this magnitude. Power outages are likely. Take action to secure loose outdoor objects.